What's the meaning of amongst? Amongst. 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 Amongst.
Amongst is a preposition that means, in the midst of, or, surrounded by. It suggests a sense of being a part of a larger group or collective. When we use amongst, we are implying that something or someone is located within a larger context or group and not standing alone or isolated. This word can be used to describe physical location, relationships, or even abstract concepts. In short, amongst conveys the idea of being situated within a larger whole rather than being separate or distinct from it.